If you don't understand how your nervous system works, burnout will always feel like a mystery, like something that just happens when life gets hard. But here's the truth. Most men are stuck in something called the sympathetic dominance. And until you learn how to shift out of it consistently, your system won't let you relax, focus, or rebuild. That's why everything we do inside the back to baseline starts here. Your nervous system has two gears. The sympathetic nervous system, this is your survival mode. It's your fight, flight, freeze, which I'm sure we've all heard. Your heart rate goes up, your breathing gets shallow, your body tenses, your brain scans for problems, and the system goes into protection, not performance. It's not bad. It's designed to keep you alive when in real danger. But in burnout, it stays stuck on. And modern life has tricked our system into thinking that we're always under threat. Notifications, overwhelm, work pressure, emotional shutdown, constant comparison, and even your own inner critic. The sympathetic system doesn't know the difference between real danger and mental stress. It just reacts. And then there's the parasympathetic nervous system. This is your rest and repair mode. This is when your body can recover, can digest, process your thoughts and emotions, focus, regulate emotions, sleep better. This is when you actually heal and begin to think clearly. And more importantly, this is the only state where real transformation happens. So here's what most people don't realize. Once you've lived in survival mode long enough, it becomes the familiar. And the brain prioritizes familiar over healthy any day. So even if your life isn't bad, your body might still feel unsafe. You can feel stuck, tense, foggy headed, or even anxious when things are technically okay. Your brain is just trying to keep you alive. It's in survival. And it's running a program that says we've survived on being on edge. Let's keep doing that. It doesn't care if you're happy. It doesn't care if you're safe. And sometimes it just confuses the two. That's why everything we do inside Back to Baseline is about one thing first: shifting from sympathetic to parasympathetic. Not at once, and it's not a one-off tool, but a daily practice. We use sound, breath, movement, stillness, micro changes that add up. Because until your system learns it's safe to relax, it won't let you grow. And if you skip this step, no habit, no routine, no mindset shift will stick. You'll keep crashing. You'll keep burning out, and you'll keep wondering what's wrong with you. But nothing's wrong. You're just stuck in survival. And it's time to come home to safety. This is the foundation of everything we do here. That's why this group exists. It's not hype. It's not hustle. It's biology. It's regulation. So if this hits home, let me know in the comments. Do you feel like you're living in a sympathetic or parasympathetic state? This awareness is step one. So keep showing up, keep regulating, and welcome back to Baseline.